Dear student, today we can perform electrical circuit subject practical, that is practical number is 7, and the title of that practical is to use voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter to determine current, power factor and active, reactive and apparent power in RLC parallel AC circuit. This is our experiment setup. First of all, we have to see the connection. This is our ELCB plus MCB. This is a test button. Here we can switch on this ELCB plus MCB. This is a rotary on-off switch. We can put this switch in on position. This is the indication of incoming supply. This is a input or input code of this single phase auto transformer. Here we can switch on this code. Here we can get that indication. Then we can switch on this meter auxiliary supply, because these three meters are digital meter and this is auxiliary meter, analog meter, sorry. C connection. This digital बोला ना सर. हा फक्त 5 मिनिटात आलं. ओके ओके ओके. जेवायला बसले साहेब आपले. See, this digital voltmeter is connected across supply main. Then see, this is a phase terminal that goes to one terminal of ammeter. First ammeter, that ammeter indicates our total current. Then from that ammeter that goes to another starting terminal of second ammeter, and from that second ammeter that goes to starting terminal of resistive load. It means this ammeter indicates the current which are flowing through R and L. See here, this L terminal goes to starting terminal of this another ammeter, and from that terminal that goes to starting terminal of this capacitor. Here we have to connect this resistive load in series with this inductive load. That's why here, see here, we can connect this wire, and that wire goes to, that is the N terminal of this resistive load goes to starting terminal of inductive load, and from that inductive load that goes to ending terminal of capacitive or resistive load, and finally that terminal goes to neutral terminal of that single phase auto transformer. Here we can get supply voltage. Here this is a total current which are flowing through that circuit. Here we get current which are flowing through resistive as well as inductive load, and this ammeter indicates the current which are flowing through capacitive load.